Hello my friends and welcome to story time. Today our story is called Be Brave, Pink Piglet. Early one morning, Pink Piglet left his mother's side for the very first time. Go exploring, she said. Be brave. I'll try, said Pink Piglet, not feeling very brave at all. He trotted nervously across the yard until Dog frightened him. Then cock-a-doodle-doo! Rooster frightened him. And then moo! Cow frightened him. Pink Piglet hurried out of the farmyard. He found some worms. They were wiggly and jiggly. When the worms hid, Pink and Brown Piglet trotted away. He found some berries. When all the berries were gone, Pink, Brown and Red Piglet trotted away. He found some frogs. Croak, croak, splash. When the frogs hopped away, Pink, Brown, Red and Green Piglet headed home. He trotted bravely across the farmyard until, moo! He frightened the cow. He frightened Rooster. Cock-a-doodle, ah! He frightened Dog, oh, oh! But he didn't frighten his mum. She knew exactly who he was. My brave explorer. The end. Thank you so much, my friends, for joining us at Storytime. I will see you next time.